In front of me is UMIDIGI F2, and let me show you how to change PIN code to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select security, go to advanced options, and here select SIM card lock right here. And if you'd like to activate it, just tap on the switcher. And now enter the current one, tap on OK, and if you'd like to change it, just click on change SIM PIN, enter the old one, and now go with the new one. And re-enter it just to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, it has been changed. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.